Today we have a John Deere grain drill. I don't normally get these units, but this one was such nice shape, came in with the project. It's an 8250. I thought it was a pretty unique grain drill in the fact that it has all three attachments. It has your grain drill for your seeding your grains, has the grass seed attachment right here, putting on clovers, all kinds of grass seeds. There's the chart. Also has the in the row fertilizer. I recently just used this for 50 acres of wheat and it performed wonderfully. This is the fertilizer box. Looks nice and clean, not rusted out in there. To my knowledge, the man said he never used the fertilizer box where this came in from the project. That's just, I'm going by what he said. It has excellent rubber. These mark nicely. I did 55 acres of wheat and I could see exactly where I traveled. Hydraulic lift and down pressure. Hydraulic cylinder goes in here, locks up for transport there. Has an acre counter which works right here. This works wonderfully. The unit was set on 100 pounds and the man told us about it, or we bought it from, said that this side was off 7 notches and we moved that accordingly and it performed flawlessly. The clover, we put on clover 10.5 pounds to the acre, wheat at 100 pounds. It worked good. We did not use the fertilizer attachment, but you organic guys may want to put organic fertilizer right in the row so you know that your fertilizer is down by your plants, your grains that are going to grow. It is on 7-inch spacing, has a good hitch. We like to weld our tractor pins and chain them to it so they're always there when you go to work. Got your hitch pin is chained, welded and chained here, so you always have it with you. It can't walk off. Got a safety clip here. Also got your spring loaded holder here for holding your hydraulic hoses from your cylinder. Your jack here for running it up and down to hitch it up. Put your cylinder in here. Acre counter works good. As I was explaining, this side for some reason is 7 notches off on the sticker. I don't know if it's placed wrong. We did what the previous owner told us, performed flawlessly, put 100 pounds of wheat on the acre, and we also did clover as an experiment right with the wheat at 10.5 pounds. See if that'll come up. It worked last year. We had a wonderful clover crop. As I was saying, this has the fertilizer inside here, box. This here is the seed box, nice and clean, good sight windows. Has single disc openers. I was a little apprehensive about using the single disc openers. On this drill I'd always use double discs, but these covered better than the doubles where you had to drag a chain behind you, because this is designed, it throws the dirt over on the one next to it. We had very good coverage of our seeds. I was quite impressed with the single disc openers, and I planted 55 acres of wheat and was able to do that on a nice smooth field at 6 miles an hour. Overall good machine. Unit is ready to be used. Hitch does unbolt very easily for transport. overall width of the unit is right at 151 inches outside tire to outside tire. The planting area is 125 inches inside wall to inside wall. As I said earlier, the hitch unbolts very easily so that it can be loaded on a trailer and you won't be over width. Load it long ways, unbolt the hitch, set it beside it. This unit is just ready to go to the field and plant. If you have any questions, please call us. We have the complete manual for the unit. Everything is in here about setting it for the different rates. For the fertilizer, the grass seed, and the seed planting. This is a complete John Deere original manual. We have some spare parts, clamps, tubes, bearing, along with the manual.